So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can disable the Find My feature on your iPhone, so that if you try it, if you someone try to find your iPhone using Apple ID, they won't be able to do that. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings of your iPhone, and here you have to simply search for Find My here in the apps, or you can simply go to apps and here search for Find My right there. There we go. And here you'll see multiple settings. If you won't find that option, simply again search for Find My right there and click on this first option of Apple account. Once you do that, here you'll see this option of Find My that is enabled. Simply go over there and disable this option. So in case if your device is someone try to track your device, they won't be able to do that for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.